There's some great watermelon snow here, and it's always cool to see watermelon snow. The color is just so vibrant in contrast to the white snow to have this pink color. It's pretty cool, and it just reminds me of summer. Whenever you see watermelon snow, you know you're having a good day in the mountains.
You gonna go get that iceberg? Gonna go get it?
It smells really good in here. It smells like a cedar sauna. All of the interior is cedar. And they've done a really good job with this rebuild. It's nice. It's June and there's still a lot of snow up in the mountains. I look across and some of these peaks are absolutely snow covered still. Just right here, at least, there's not very much. There's some nice barren rock to walk around on, which is nice. And I am thankful for a sunny day. They don't seem to come that often around here. And man, is it beautiful when it's sunny. I'm going to talk to the camera inside simply because it's so windy and gusty, the audio outside would be horrible. So, Thornhill Fire Lookout was built just after World War I by a local terrace carpenter called C.M. Turner. Supplies were carried up the mountain by horseback. Can you imagine the effort that would require on the horse's part? If you have a sharp eye, you'll have noticed that this one is rectangular shaped. This is the only fire lookout I've been to that's rectangular. Every single other one I've seen and that I've been to is square. So that's unique about it. And it was restored for the centennial anniversary of the BC Forest Service in 2012. In the 70s, they stopped using this lookout location and they moved to a new lookout to the north on Copper Mountain. So this one was abandoned and basically fell into disrepair and succumbed to the elements, so much so that the only thing remaining was the foundation by 2012. Bits and pieces of the original lookout structure and traces of its history can still be seen scattered around the top of the mountain. In 1943, a mountain warfare school was founded in Terrace, and it included training for fighting in mountainous terrain, in mountaineering and rock climbing. These turned out to be super popular courses, so much so that there wasn't enough gear for everyone. The men who took part in these courses look back fondly on their memories in Terrace and climbing up to the fire lookout. They had great camaraderie with the other soldiers and all of the skills that they learned along the way. I just can't win with this weather. The wind picked up majorly, it's gusting big time, and it's blowing rain at us. So we are going to pack up and head down. No sunset tonight. I just can't win. This weather is just chasing me off another mountain. I needed to collect more video shots to do this lookout justice. So I waited for another day when it wasn't raining, and I went back up to fly the drone. Speed dating. Round 2. Still waiting on that sponsorship deal to come through. Come on, Backpackers Pantry.
Hey, come back.